Hello! Let's explore the configuration and settings available in Meddicc Score. To access the settings, simply click at the bottom of on any card. If you're an admin, you'll have full access to all configuration options. There are 4 main sections in the settings: General, Company Profile, Frameworks, and Users. In the General section, you can manage non-admin user access. For example, if they can change the framework or update the score manually. You'll also find automation options. For example, when a new record is added, if the deal is automatically updated and score it. Or score all the account at once, very useful when you are starting with the plugin to score all the hundreds of deals you already have. From here, you can also manage your subscription, delete the Meddicc Score account and all the data stored, and handle billing directly through Stripe. The scoring methodology can be customized to score the form by section or for the entire form Alt-Hug-Eder using AI. And here's something really powerful. You can select your AI provider and choose which LLM model you want to use to power your insights. In the Company Profile section, you can add key information about your organization, like your industry, company name, value proposition, and products or services. This allows the AI to generate insights that are fully tailored to your business. Next, the Framework section gives you complete flexibility. You can set a default framework for new deals, for instance, MEDDPICC, Spiced, BANT, or many others. You can also edit the questions or guidance and even add or remove questions to perfectly match your sales process. Finally, in the Users tab, you can view all users in your account, check how many licenses are available, and upgrade, downgrade, or assign admin rights in just a few clicks. And that's it. With Meddicc Score, you have full control and flexibility to tailor the app to your sales methodology, your team, and your business needs. So, ready to boost your sales? Install Meddicc Score from the Hubspot marketplace and test it for free during 30 days. Get started today.